In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to discover new products and creators in Gumroad. If you're looking for something specific on Gumroad, or you simply want to explore what creators are offering, the Discover section is the best place to start. It helps you browse and search for digital products, creative tools, educational content, and the people behind them, all from one place. This process is very simple, and once you know where to look, it becomes much easier to find products and creators that match your interests. To begin, go to your Gumroad dashboard and look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In that sidebar, click on Discover. This will take you to Gumroad's Discovery page, which is designed to help you explore listings across the platform. If you're new to Gumroad, this area is especially useful because it gives you a starting point beyond your main dashboard. It's where browsing and searching come together. Once you're on the Discover page, move to the search bar. This is the key tools you'll use to find what you're interested in. Type in the name of the product or creator you want to discover. For example, you can search using a product type, a topic, or a creator's name if you already know who you're looking for. As you enter your search, Gumroad will use that query to show relevant results from across the platform. When typing into the search bar, try to be as clear as possible. A more specific search can help narrow down the results and make it easier to find exactly what you need. If your first search is too broad, you may see a wider range of products and creators, which can still be helpful if your goal is general exploration. On the other hand, if you already have something particular in mind, a focused keyword will usually save time. That's really all there is to it. You open Discover from the left menu, then use the search bar to enter the product or creator you want to find. With just those two actions, you can start uncovering new resources, creative work, and people worth following on Gumroad. As a quick tip, if your first search doesn't show the exact result you expected, try adjusting the wording slightly. Small changes in phrasing can often lead to better matches. Once you get used to searching this way, discovering new content on Gumroad becomes fast, flexible, and easy to repeat whenever you want to explore something new.